If you head over to the Shape tool, you're going to find a ton of shapes in there already. But did you know there are actually a whole lot more hiding just around the corner? Let me show you. Let's select one of the shapes. Let's go with the Polygon tool. Now to find more variations or presets for this tool, I'll head over to the context toolbar and click the presets icon right here. From there, I can pick any of these presets and draw it straight onto the canvas. Now let's try another one. I'll grab the arrow tool, click presets, and you'll see there are even more variations hiding in here too. I'll select one and draw it here. Let's try one more. The star tool, click presets, and look at all these variations in here. I'll just pick this one right here, draw it, play around with some modifications, and throw in a color change. And just like that, I've got something that looks completely unique. There are still so many more presets on the list, so definitely take some time to explore and see what you can come up with. Drop me a comment when you do. Alright, that's a wrap on this one. If this video helped you, drop a like and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy designing!